Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the chapter 4 of Feng Shui tutorial. Today our topic is 8 characters and Feng Shui. As you can see on the slides, the 8 characters in Chinese is called Da Zhi. Okay, let's get started. The 8 characters is to use to analyze one's destiny. You can translate your birth data. That's the year, month, day, and hour of your birth into the 8 characters. These 8 characters are also known as the 4 pillars of destiny. We will have an example in the next slide. This formula was developed by the ancient Chinese to evaluate and assess the fortune and luck pattern of any individuals. So simple like that. Person born in exactly the same time and date have the same 8 characters. So as we mentioned, 8 characters are arranged in 4 pairs. So that's how the name 4 pillars of destiny came from. You can see on the slides there's a sample of the 8 characters in 4 pillars. It's reading from right to the left. So the right one, on the most right one, is the pillar of year, and the most left one is the pillar of time. The 8 characters comprises 4 pillars, each of which is represented by 2 elements, written with one above the other. The element on top is the heavenly stem, and the element below is the earthly branch. So we can see the 8 characters, 4 pillars are on 2 tiers. The one on up is heavenly stem. We call it in Chinese Tiangan. The second tier at the bottom is called earthly branch, Di Zhi. Okay, now let's have a look on the heavenly stem. There are in total 10 heavenly stems. The 10 heavenly stems are also linked to the 5 elements. That's water, wood, fire, earth, and metal. Heavenly stem shows the pattern of movement of the heaven qi. We will have a tutorial talking about qi in the coming tutorial. Heavenly stems are used to present the state of qi in the universe. Each year is represented by the heavenly stem and an earthly branch. Okay, what we see on the slides are the first 2 heavenly stems. Those are Jia and Yi. They both represent the element of wood. Okay. The third and the fourth are Bing and Ding. They are one positive, one negative, same as Jia and Yi. But Bing and Ding represents the element of fire. Here comes the Wu and Ji. Both of them belong to earth. One positive, one negative. Here comes Geng and Xin, the symbol of metal. And here comes Ren and Gui. The symbol represents water. Alright, earthly branch. Earthly branch, there are 12 in total. The 12 earthly branches are used to calculate the seasons, years, months, days, and time in the lunar calendar. They are assigned an element and direction, each as shown in the Luopan, what we mentioned in the last tutorial. They are represented by the 12 animal signs as well. In another word, Chinese horoscope. Okay, we look at the first one, Zi, represent the animal rat. Second one, Chou, is ox. Third one, Lin, means tiger. The fourth one, Mao, that's rabbit. The fifth one, Chen, dragon. The sixth one, Si, snake. The seventh one, Wu, that's horse. Wei, that's ram. Shen, monkey. You, rooster. Xu, dog, and the last one, Hai, that's pig. Now let's have a look on the 5 elements in the 8 characters. Accurate interpretation of the 5 elements within the 8 characters will be able to unravel the mysteries of how the year, month, day, and hour of birth can influence one's life. Accurate analysis enables you to establish the favorable and unfavorable elements within the 8 characters. Well-balanced favorable elements in your 8 characters mean support and harmony in your life. On the other hand, elements which upset the balance or worsen the imbalance are considered unfavorable. By analyzing the compatibility and incompatibility of the elements within the 8 characters, an expert in destiny analysis will be able to predict what elements are dominating at a particular time. The dynamic interaction amongst the 5 elements provides an accurate means of evaluating a person's background, character, business potential, wealth, health, intelligence, and social relations. The year of good luck that a person encounters during this life is expressed by another set of pillars known as the luck pillars. We call it in Chinese, 大运. Each set of lucky pillars consists of 2 elements as well and govern 10 years of a person's life. On the slides, we have an example, so we can see on 2 pairs of Chinese characters. The first pair, blue and red letters. The second pair also consists blue and red letters. Okay, the first tier or the first pair is the 8 character of a person, and the second tier is the lucky pillars of this person. So as we mentioned, lucky pillars is another set of pillars. Same as the 8 characters, each consists of 2 elements, and each of them governs 10 years of luck. Okay, now it comes to another slide, 8 characters and Feng Shui. Our environment changes over time, and our happiness changes with the environment. That's true. Good fortune contains little seeds of misfortune. Likewise, the seeds of good fortune are hidden in the bad times. Time moves through cycles of change, transforming good into bad and bad into good. So it's always in cycles. Living in harmony with the environment is good Feng Shui. The Feng Shui of a house should be reviewed from time to time. You can only choose to live with the existing environment or change it with Feng Shui, which is a very useful tool. Alright, here comes to the end of the chapter 4 of Feng Shui tutorial. I hope this is something useful to you. In the coming tutorial, we'll talk about other aspects in Feng Shui, and soon we will enter the practical tips in housing Feng Shui. Thank you again for watching this video, and